Got good bacteria? StellaLife has a complete solution to restore good microflora. Restoring the balance of good bacteria may help improve your digestive, oral, and overall health. Swallow 1 vegetarian capsule with water daily. Take 1 lozenge daily and allow it to dissolve. Do not eat or drink for 30 minutes after the lozenge. Complete solution for healthy microbiome consists of oral lozenges dissolved in 5 minutes and gut capsules. 15 select pre plus post plus probiotic strains, 23B plus CFU, vitamin C, D, zinc, xylitol. Prebiotics, food for good bacteria. Postbiotics, for maximum effect. Spore ingredients to survive stomach acid to deliver full efficacy. Restore your oral and gut flora back to health with StellaLife.